Hello and welcome back to my new video. The channel name is the Home Decor and hope you have already subscribed my channel where we delve in the world of interior design and bringing the capturing ideas to transform your home on a budget, your bedroom into a stylish heaven of tranquility of comfort. Today we are talking about the embark of the exciting journey, a bedroom decor video that will help you create your bedroom of your dreams. Let's start with the heart of the room, your bed. It's not only just a place to sleep, it's where you will unwind and even work or read. Invest a quality mattress, posh bedding, and pillows that suit your sleeping preferences. Don't forget a stylish headboard or bed frame to give your room an elegant touch. Color sets the moods in your bedroom. Soothing, cool colors like soft blues, gentle greens, and charming gray can create a scenery ambience. If you crave warmth, earthly tones or muted pastels work wonders. Remember, it's your space, or so choose your colors that resonate with you. Bedroom lighting should be versatile. Think of a mixture of ambient, task and ancient lighting. Bedside tables offer practicality with a style pendant light or candlelit can become a stunning focal point. Organizations is the key of beautiful bedroom. The smart storage solutions like under-bed drawers, a wall-mounted shelves, or a stylish wardrobe to keep clutter at bay. The more organized your space, the more inviting it becomes. Don't forget to personalize your bedroom. Add artwork, family photos, or decorative items that reflect your personality. It's these personal touches that make your bedroom uniquely yours. Experiment with different textures and fabric to add depth and character to your bedroom. Velvet, silk, fox, fur can create a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. Introduce the outdoor inside your indoor plants. A touch of greenery can refreshen the air and bring the sense of calm and serenity to your bedroom. Consider adding a statement wall that bold color and capturing wallpaper. It adds an element of surprise and intensity, elevates the room's design. And there you have it. Whether you are looking for a cozy retreat or a stylish bedroom, these ideas can help you transform your space. Remember, your bedroom is a personal oasis, a space to relax and dream. We hope you enjoy this video.